Hi, Adrian. Do you want to say anything?
Yes. But
What?
this not working.
This not working?
Everything not working.
Can I check?
Stop.
Can I check? Show me.
That's
That's not working?
not.
Oh my God. How bad is that? And this one?
This not working.
Show me. Let me check.
I will show you. But
Okay.
See.
Let's see. Come on. Show me.
That's not you.
Oh my God.
That's broken.
Okay, that's broken. Okay. So, do you want to say anything else?
But I want to go shop for
You want to
beer.
go to shop?
Yes.
Why?
For some toys.
For toys.
Yes.
Anything else?
No.
Chocolate or candy or
No. Big toys.
only toys?
Yes.
Which toys?
Means a car and
Car. But when you go to market, you buy
everything.
chocolate. I know you.
But no, I buy chips.
Chips, it's bad.
Chips bad.
Yes.
What do you like?
I like I don't like anything.
What?
I like apples. What do you like? Just tell me. What do you like? Don't do this. What do you like? Show me. Okay, look at me. What do you like?
I like apple.
You change your mind. Do you like ice cream?
No.
Why?
Do you like?
I don't like. Do you like ice cream?
No.
Why?
But I like apple.